To change the camera photo aspect ratio to 3/4, 9/16, a square 1:1, or full on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then in here, tap on this aspect ratio button. And from here, you have 4 different options. 3/4, so you can take the pictures in 3/4 resolution, or 9/16, so that will expand out with additional height. Or you can change it to 1:1, which is a square picture. Or you can set it to full screen. So it will take up the full screen to take up the pictures, like that, full screen. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.